Guys, Chainlink has had an explosive month within the cryptosphere, and in this video, I'm going to share with you guys why I'm betting big on Chainlink to do well in this next altcoin season. We do talk about Chainlink a lot on this channel, and today is one of those days where we're going to give you guys an update what's happening, because right now we're seeing a huge amount of bullish metrics to support this run into the next altcoin season, as well as we're going to be talking about some of the Link whales that are helping us get to where we want to go to as we look for 8.5 million Link that has been added in just 6 weeks. So I'm going to break that all down for you guys in this video. Let's go over it, let's talk about it, and let's get into the crypto bubbles. But before we do, make sure you guys all subscribe right down below. If you want to stay informed with what's going on in the crypto world, this is where you need to be. Subscribe to this channel. It's totally free to do so. All it does is helps us here on YouTube, as well as by smashing that like button, okay? But let's get down into it. Appreciate you guys all tuning in, and if you are a returning person or a subscriber to the channel, appreciate you guys, and let's talk some crypto. All right, so here's where we are. You can see it's been an outstanding day. I get notifications right here on my phone. Futures are up. Everything's booming. SHIB, look, I mean, I know if you guys want to talk about meme coins, but we'll talk about top 15 cryptos. Shiba Inu up 20% on the day. The SHIB ecosystem is pumping. Pepe coin 12.8. Dogecoin's rivaling about 10%. We can look at some of the meme coins, Bonk, Floki, all exploding. Bitcoin only up 3.5%. So it's always a good deal when the altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin. Solana's up 4.8%. Really great day for a lot of these cryptos out there in the market. So let's talk about it, because we got to have it. And I want to share with you guys kind of what's going on. And as we look at Chainlink, and I do want to show you guys kind of what they're doing right now on the charts, okay? You can see right now trading at 12.55, so almost $13. And this is where we're up 10.7% on the week. And this is where you look at the explosive year. We've had 68.2% up on the year, and where we've got as high as that yearly high at $20.61. So that's what we have to worry about and work for. Will we get back to that yearly high? Right now, all bets are off, but Chainlink has made a move 4 spots up in the total market cap ranking, up to the 14th hole when we talk about the crypto in terms of total market cap. All right, but these are the numbers I wanted to share with you guys, because right now we're seeing a massive whale accumulation. 8.5 million Link have been added in just 6 weeks' time as the on-chain activity is soaring. Now, over the last 6 weeks, we've seen whales, okay, add this amount of Chainlink, and what this is important for, it's coinciding with the increase of on-chain activity. So for people that are into long-term crypto growth, they're eyeing Chainlink as being that crypto. Now, that's something where we look at accumulation, not just signaling on-chain activity, but more so the bullish outlook that we're having. And you can trace that all the way back. Those are all public records. They're all right there on the blockchain. You can see these wallets move. And right now, the on-chain data is suggesting that if you are a whale that hold over 1 million Link, okay, so do that math, okay, guys, that basically means that you're holding over $12 million in Chainlink USD. They've increased their holdings, okay? We've seen that collective rise from 685.5 million Link from a mid-August timeframe to 694 million by late September. That has been that 8.5 million increase that we've been talking about. And you can see this being kind of echoed by sentiment, where this price breakout has been basically on the back of whales accumulating over the last 6 weeks, now ranked 14th in total market cap, okay? Explosive growth, but more so we're going to talk about the on-chain activity and how this is going to lead to confidence. Now, just a little while ago, okay, and it's not just Chainlink, it's been other cryptos. It's been, Cardano to name one. It just jumps off at the page at me. This is kind of where we look at these cryptos that are out there that had their time in the sun. They had their fun. People lost interest. They got into meme coins, but now we're starting to see a lot of these layer ones, these OGs in the crypto space, get that activity back. They're dormant tokens, and now we're getting a lot of investor confidence renewed. That's always a good sign to see. And right now, in this recent report, we have seen the reactivation of dormant tokens. Okay, usually that is a bullish signal. So you're going to see it first by the whales. They're going to tip their hands. They're going to kind of let you know where the money's headed. They are the money. Okay, so follow the whales, follow the money. And that's where you'll know where the crypto is about to go to. And for Chainlink, that's definitely bullish. Obviously, it's not financial advice, just my thoughts and processes as I navigate in my own financial interests and my investing strategies. But Chainlink, right now, you could talk about it even more so if we get into some actual institutional investors and retail investors, right? Where we look in kind of how long people have held Chainlink, we saw a sharp decline of that. So long-term holders were once again activating and moving their tokens. They were becoming active once more. And that's kind of where we've seen that network realized profit loss margin shifting into the profitable territory. That basically is showing that a lot of investors are now in the money, which will greatly reduce the selling pressure unless people want to take profits. But with a market the way we're headed, with these bullish catalysts coming, with Bitcoin pressing all-time highs, a new presidential election, a softening of interest rates, a softening of crypto regulation if we do get a red wave in Washington, this is kind of where you can echo this sentiment within the developmental activity, and that's going to propel Chainlink next into that next wave, that next era, and that's what we've seen in previous market cycles, okay? So that's kind of what we have going on. Chainlink is continuing to develop and improve their already robust ecosystem. We've seen this basically over the last few months, all of that. They've nearly almost doubled their developmental rate of the nearest ERC20 coins out there, surpassing a lot of cryptos along the way. And that's kind of where we look at these whale movements and why crypto, and not just Chainlink, are going to be super bullish if we look at the on-chain metrics, okay? But historically, you always have to tread with caution, because when you do have whales, they also do manipulate the charts. So if we continue this surge and we do see a sharp uptick in all these whale transactions, yes, that's going to be where we start to enter some profit-taking zones, okay? And nobody's going to hate when you take profits, but take it responsibly. And we are so very early to crypto, so if you're not into making moves on the short term, that's kind of where it seems kind of senseless to me. But on a long-term outlook for Chainlink, this is something where we look at the real-world applications. This is something where we look at Chainlink continuing to build, and all these metrics continue to signal a bullish sentiment for Link as we sit here at 14th in total market cap. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys in this video. As always, guys, remember, not financial advice, but I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you are going to bet big on crypto for the future, I do want to end this video by showing you today's channel sponsor. This is Margex. Now, if you want to get involved with leverage trading, you can trade up to 100x leverage on Margex. Use my link down below. You can also participate in that Caspa airdrop that's going on right now, where 500,000 Caspa is being distributed in an airdrop. I think the only stipulation is you either have to deposit or trade $100 on Margex to be eligible for your share. I think it's capped at $5,000 per trader, so that's something very enticing. Also, I think with my link, you do get a discount in trading fees as well as a sign-up bonus. So make sure you sign up with Margex today after you do your due diligence and your homework. Leverage trading is very volatile. It's not right for everybody. And as always, there's no KYC, so make sure it's right for you and where you're located. And if you want to get started trading on leverage, sign up with Margex today. Links down below. But I appreciate you guys. As always, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. But this is something we're going to be covering Link more extensively, as well as all your favorite altcoins right here on the channel. So make sure before you leave this video, you follow me here on YouTube as well as X. My handle is in the bottom left. And we'll see you guys all in the next one. Cheers.